Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook taro with coconut milk. First, choose firm, unblemished taro roots, typically weighing around 1 pound. Carefully peel the taro, as its sap can cause skin irritation for some. Then, cut the peeled taro into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure even cooking. Finally, rinse the taro thoroughly under cold water to remove any excess starch, which helps prevent a gummy texture. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium-sized pot, combine about 2 cups of full-fat coconut milk with 1 cup of water. Add your prepared taro cubes, along with a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar to enhance the flavors. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Continue to cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until the taro is fork tender. To elevate the flavor profile, you have a few options. For a fragrant aroma, you can add 1 or 2 knotted pandan leaves to the pot during simmering. A small 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, thinly sliced, will also introduce a lovely, subtle warmth. Taste the dish and adjust the sweetness and saltiness as needed. Before serving, a sprinkle of freshly chopped cilantro or green onions adds a vibrant finish. Your delicious taro with coconut milk is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dish can be served warm as a comforting dessert, perhaps after a hearty meal. Alternatively, it makes an excellent and unique side dish to complement various main courses. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes, adding a delightful crunch. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.